Oba Lesamba demand to properly implement the Manipur Merger Agreement 1949.
Sir, thank you, sir. Sir, although Manipur is a tiny state, but it was once a sovereign nation having a long history and civilization of more than 5,000 years. But Manipur became a part of India in 1949 under an agreement called the Manipur Merger Agreement 1949. However, for the last many decades, the previous government never tried to honor or address this agreement, and it really hurts the sentiments and pride of the Manipuris. Particularly, the last para of Article 8 of this agreement is very relevant for the Manipuris to uplift their socio-economic, cultural and political status. It reads as, I quote, the government of India shall also undertake to make suitable provisions for the employment of Manipuris in the various branches of public services and in every way encourage the Manipuris to join them. It also undertakes to preserve various laws, customs and conventions prevailing in the states of Manipur pertaining to the social, economic and religious life of the people, unquote. But till today, no suitable provisions or safeguards are made or safe in this regard. So I urge upon the Union government to make suitable provisions or take up necessary steps to uplift the socio-economic, cultural and political